One Nation, One Subscription to provide equal access to 13,400 journals for public institutions. Chirek 2.0 Transforming Education with a Global Campus in Serilingampalli. BPSC 32nd Judicial Service Final Results 2024 Revised Results and Cutoff Marks announced. CLAT 2024 Counselling Schedule announced. Apply by December 20. CSIR UGC NET 2024 registration open. Apply by December 30.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: starting from January 2025, the One Nation, One Subscription scheme will give 1.8 crore researchers in 6,380 state-funded universities, colleges and research institutions access to 13,400 international journals, expanding from 8,079 titles. With Rs 6,000 crore budget, Phase 1 will run until 2027, allocating Rs 1,850 crore. Agreements with 30 major publishers including Elsevier and Springer, ensuring multidisciplinary access via UGC's InfliBitNet platform. A Rs 150 crore annual fund is also to set support publishing in higher quality journals, addressing costly articles processing charges. Efforts to boost Indian journals' visibility will continue. This landmark initiative will enhance research, supporting universal knowledge sharing and benefiting 95% of the published journal works. Chirek International School unveiled its transformative Chirek 2.0 initiative on December 3, 2024 at its 9.5-acre Serilingampalli campus. The campus, featuring India's first elevated sports deck and award-winning design, integrates world-class facilities to foster creativity, critical thinking, and entrepreneurship. With over 60 sports facilities, eco-friendly architecture, and multifunctional learning spaces, it promotes holistic development for students. Part of the Cognita Global Network, Chirek 2.0 aligns with India's national education policy and international standards. CEO Dr. Peter McLaughlin emphasized the school's vision for future-ready learners, while Cognita Asia CEO Samit Agarwal praised its innovative approach. This milestone cements Chirek's legacy of excellence, preparing students for a tech-driven, uncertain future. For details, please visit the Chirek website. The Bihar Public Service Commission released the revised result of 32nd Judicial Service exam. Aman Kumar, initially selected in the unreserved category, is now the EBC's category, while Anjali Sinha and Narendranath Shah have been removed. Harshita Singh topped the exam, followed by Sukiti Agarwal and Supriya Gupta. The revised cutoff marks are 539 for unreserved and 463 cleared the main exam held in November 2023, with interviews conducted in November 2024. The recruitment aims to fill 154 posts with the 9 women in the top 10. Candidates can check the results on the BPSE website. The Consortium of National Law University released CLAT 2025 results on December 7, 2024 and started the counselling applications on December 9 with a deadline of December 20. Candidates must log in to the CLAT portal and confirm invitations, pay the registration fees of Rs 30,000 for general and Rs 20,000 for reserved categories, and select minimum of 15 preferences. 5 counselling rounds will be conducted, the first list on December 26, 2024, the second on January 10, 2025 and the third on January 24, 2025. The final rounds in May 2025 will fill the remaining seats. The top CLAT UG scores are from Haryana and Madhya Pradesh, while female from Odisha leads CLAT PG 99.993%. The National Testing Agency has started the registration for CSIR UGC NEET in December 2024. Candidates can apply on the official website by December 30, 2024. The computer-based test will be held from February 16 to 18, 2025, lasting 180 minutes. The exam determines eligibility for junior research fellowships, assistant professorships, and PhD admissions across India. Fees are Rs 1,150 for general, Rs 600 for OBC EWS, and Rs 325 for SC, ST, PWD, third gender categories, and subjects include chemical, earth, life, mathematical, and physical science. Applications must use unique email and mobile numbers with correspondence sent via SMS or email. Queries can be directed to NTA's helpline. That's all for today's news. Thank you for tuning in. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today.